Hello and welcome to 2018. I'm Andrew Alloys with Empire Greenhouses, and we're here in Northeast Washington at our neighbor's 12 by 30 hoop house. And it's definitely wintertime here. It's definitely cold, and this greenhouse is currently in hibernation, but even though it's in the teens and a foot of snow on the ground, we're thinking ahead. And we encourage you to be thinking about spring, looking forward to another growing season. And we'll be here, we'll be ready for your needs, to answer your calls. And when you're ready for a similar greenhouse, be sure to look us up at www.empiregreenhouses.com or call toll free 1-855-541-3545. Remember, build your empire with Empire Greenhouses.